Hi. Now we're going to look at some basic color theory. Color can be used as a compositional element or sometimes even the subject of a photo itself. Sometimes the separation of colors can provide nice lines that guide the eye around a photo in a pleasing manner. Other times, simply color itself can make up the entire picture. Regardless of the situation, you really can't go wrong with a vivid photo containing a lot of rich color. That said, there are a few things to know and look for when considering how to use color in your photography. Often you'll hear the term hue used to talk about color. Don't get confused. Hue essentially just means color. Primary colors are the basic set of colors that can be combined to create any other color, but there's a catch. There's actually two sets of primary colors: reflected light primary colors and transmitted light primary colors. The reflected set refers to the colors red, yellow, and blue, and are what you would use when you're mixing paints to achieve any other color you desire. Transmitted primary colors are the color of the light source itself and are red, green, and blue. The mixing of these colors of light can provide any color in the spectrum. This is how your television mixes light to generate different colors. Now, this isn't really necessary to understand to go out and start using color in your photography. The source of the color doesn't really matter practically. Handling colors in a photo does. Each primary color has a complementary or contrasting color that goes well with it. This is where you can really apply color theory. To get to know this, a color wheel provides an instant reference tool. The colors directly opposite each other are complementary or contrasting. So when shooting, look for arrangements of these colors occurring together, or if you're creating a shot from scratch and have total control over the elements of your photo, consider these relationships when choosing those elements. The reality is, however, that when you're out in the field, you will only have a little control over what colors occur with other colors. You can try moving your position around a bit to try and form these relationships, but what you get is what you get. But again, you really can't go wrong with a photo that's bursting with color, regardless of the relationship between those colors. Photography is kind of an additive process, combining thousands of little elements to make the best possible image. Changing any one of those elements might not make much difference, but the cumulative effect in the end can be spectacular, so always take care to look for those little touches like complementary colors.